Okay guys, this is how I fixed my out of sync, the connect out of sync. When I say Xbox record that, and I realized my audio is out of sync. So what I did was you can either turn off your Xbox or with the remote or the power switch. Just wait for it to completely turn off. Once it's completely turned off, you unplug the back of the power button of the Xbox. That's what I did, because I didn't really know what I was doing or what the hell I was doing, but they actually fixed it. So here's my video on how to fix it. So you just unplug the power button. What I did, I left it overnight. I unplugged it, left it overnight, and went to sleep because I was tired. Just leave it overnight, or I don't know, like a couple hours or an hour, see what happened, come back at it. Yeah, so this is basically how I fixed the Xbox link for the game DVR. So I hope this helped you guys. So